If you are a service provider or an agency owner and you are wondering if you can sell your services successfully and profitably using Facebook ads, then in this video I will show you the shortest funnel and the highest impact test that you can run on Facebook to see if actually your offer converts and if you are attracting the right people through Facebook ads. And gone will be the times when you have to listen to advice like, oh, your audience is not on Facebook, or on Facebook you just get low quality people and yada, 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 right? Which is all just based on no experience or people using Facebook ads the wrong way to get high quality leads. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how I always start to figure out which offer I should sell, and this helped me generate 13.4 million of revenue with my own agency in the last 4 years. And once you know how to test offers with high impact tests, you will never ever build a whole funnel that doesn't get you any leads, clients, and revenue. You will see that from the smallest test if things work out, or if you need to iterate on your offer or on your audience or on your value proposition, how you package your offer to make Facebook ads work. And the one thing that I'm going to show you in this video is called MVP funnel, minimal viable product funnel. That comes from product engineering, which means we build a funnel with the smallest set of components or features to test it and validate if our idea actually works. And a funnel consists always of 3 main components. First, it's your audience. Second, it's the offer that you want to sell. And third, it's your conversion mechanism. So in other words, the form and what you promise these people or offer as a next step, just in case they are interested in your overall offer. So if you are following my videos for some time, and even if not, I want to get a very important concept top of your mind, because this is the foundation to build high converting offers, to stand out in your marketplace, and actually to convert ad impressions into leads, calls, and clients. And this concept looks like this. This is the problem side of your potential clients, and this is the solution side of your potential clients. What that means is that clients need to have a problem that creates inner stress, right? For example, stress, anxiety, or other emotions if they don't solve it. And what they want instead is the solution. In other words, there is a gap between the problem and the solution that these people want to get solved. And such a problem never comes alone. It comes with a lot of sub-problems that altogether need to be solved. The bigger the problem that you can solve with your offers, and the faster you can solve it, the more money you can make. And the easier it will be to convert people, strangers, into leads and clients. So on the other side, the same thing, you need to turn all the sub-problems into sub-solutions so that your clients have the desired situation that they really want. All right, and now you need to develop one thing. You need to develop a mechanism which is kind of, if you provide services, a step-by-step process to turn problems into solutions. For example, if you are an agency owner and you don't have enough predictable revenue growth and you are looking for more leads, right? So this is your problem, and you want a sales system that gets you a consistent stream of leads and clients on a daily basis, then like the solution could be a funnel, a sales funnel, okay? You cannot call it however you want. The thing is just, it needs to do its job of getting your clients the results they are looking for. So let's say you have this. Now you need to decide about to whom you want to sell this. This is your ICP, okay, the target clients you are looking at. Now, this should be the foundation for the so-called MVP, the minimal viable product funnel, that allows you to test this thing here, this offer that you want to sell, or in other words, you can test if like this offer really resonates with your audience, and if they see this offer as the solution to their problems. That's it. That's what the offer needs to do. And then you can create everything around your offer. But before you build your whole funnel and your campaigns, you want to make sure that your offer works, because the offer is the core, the foundation of your funnel, of your marketing, and of your entire sales process. If your offer is crap, the best marketing cannot fix it. So let me show you how to validate your offer and what's the fastest way to actually test if this offer resonates with your market. Let me first give you an overview of how this MVP funnel looks like. The first thing you need is obviously an ad. The second thing is you need to have a form so people can sign up. And the third thing is optional. It is, let me make this not so bold. Okay. It is actually a calendar. Okay. Now, obviously you bring traffic from your ad to the form and from the form to the calendar so that when people signed up on the form, which is called a lead, those who are really hyper motivated and want to jump on a call, they can also schedule a call. This is a schedule. All right. And the ad is a click. Okay. These are the main conversion mechanisms or the main conversion steps that you can measure in your funnel. Click, lead, schedule the call. What should you talk about in this ad? And there is typically 3 layers to make the ad work and psychologically attract the right people and make them interested in your offer so that they have a high motivation to actually fill the form and book a call with you and then buy from you. And if you remember this graphic here, the first thing we should talk about is who these people should be that should resonate with your offer and the problem they should have that you can solve. So this is the so-called hook. And the hook starts with the call out. Let's say agency owners with more than 25K revenue per month. Okay, that could be a call out. If you're an agency owner making at least 25K revenue per month, okay, that's the identity call out. And problem, you're looking for a predictable and consistent way to get more high quality leads using paid ads. That's what they want, right? Or you can start with a heavier problem. You are not getting enough leads and your sales pipeline is dry like a desert. That's more the emotional problem behind that they want a sales system or a lead generation funnel. Then I have something for you, okay? And then what you have for them is your offer. And the offer should always be what you create, how long does it take, and what will they get from it. For example, in only 30 days, we build for you a high converting sales funnel that gets you leads and clients on autopilot, right? That could be an offer. Now, obviously, you want to back up this offer by proof. And proof can be client testimonials, can be case studies, can be results you created for you or your own business or other organizations you worked for in the past. External validation and proof is very important because a claim, an offer claim, can be made by anybody. But if you can back it up, well, it creates more credibility and people trust you more. And trust is the #1 currency to get conversions. So the next thing is then call to action. All right. Now, people saw this ad, and I recommend you use a video ad instead of image ads because with image ads, well, you can create an ad very fast. It's just an image and some text. But what you lack is to resonate with people and to build this human relationship through a video where a person talks to another person, right? Or where a person talks and the person watching the video like resonates with that and builds trust, right? Trust is created and trust is important. So that's only what you can do with a video ad. If you are good with creating videos and you are comfortable with that, I definitely recommend using video ads. You can also use AI tools such as HeyGen and like use an AI avatar, but honestly, people see that and they sense it. And online, it's all about being authentic and an AI avatar is not authentic. So I recommend you just take your phone and record yourself in front of your camera and that's it. Simple as it is, okay? Just make sure the light is good and the sound is good. Now, the next thing is you use an instant form, which is a form on Facebook and Instagram, where you just say, learn more, or sign up to get more information, or sign up to see how it works in detail. Or eventually you have a lead magnet, something you can give away for free as the next step. Then you can also promote it here on your form. Okay, this is the next step offer. Next offer. Don't do the mistake and promote your lead magnet right in the ad, right? This is your core offer. It should never be your lead magnet because then you just attract freebie seekers and the algorithm optimizes for people who want free stuff. That's not what you want to optimize for. You want people who are interested in your core offer and then give them a lead magnet for free. All right, so the next thing is you need to have so-called gatekeeper questions, questions with conditional logic. You first ask, what's your role or which type of business do you operate? Agency owner, bakery, laundry, whatever, right? Just give them some stupid questions. And only one answer should be the right one. And only if people select this right answer, then they are counted as a lead, which feeds back the right data to Facebook to train your pixel correctly. Okay. And the next question, if you just want agency owners who have a minimum amount of revenue or team size or whatever you want as a qualifying criteria to make sure they also have the money to pay you, which is important, then you want to have a second question asking for this attribute. Okay, and only if this attribute is filled with the right answer, then you let them be counted as a lead. So now you put in these ads into one ad set and you just change, you keep the offer the same. Okay, the offer is the same, just the hook will be changed and you have one is not enough, 3 to 5 hooks that you test. Okay, you test 3 to 5 hooks with the same offer so that you can see which of these hooks brings in people with a problem where these people see the offer as a good fit for solving their problem. Okay, that's what this test does. If you keep the offer the same, you just change the problem hooks, you will understand which of these problems is the best problem that people want to solve with your offer, or where this offer is the best fit for to solve the problem. Okay, I think you get that. So you can iterate on that as often as you want. If you are seeing that you get leads for 30 to 50 euro, and these are valid leads, right? They filled in your gatekeeper questions correctly. You can find these people online and see if they are real people or if it's just trash data. You will see this instantly. And you spend like 150 euro to 200 euro per ad maximum, right? You can also test it with 50 euro per ad, but then you have not enough data to make statistically significant decisions. Okay, it will just be more like a signal. If you're getting some leads in, but you don't have like 6 to 10 leads, just 2 to 3, you can still see if something might work and you can compare the different hooks based on the result and the cost of a qualified lead, which matches the questions you asked here. And then once you found the best ad, right, or the best hook, now you can iterate on the offer and take the same hook and test different offers, right? Then you switch the offer and see, okay, for this hook, can I make a more attractive offer? Can I add another mechanism? Can I add different trust elements? Can I add different proof? Can I add a guarantee, right? Will this decrease my cost per qualified lead? And then you found the best hook with the best offer, and this is good enough to build your whole funnel, because now you have the core of your funnel validated and eventually the core of your whole business. Because otherwise you just build something based on thin air, right? It might fall down like a card house if you didn't validate your offer properly and build your funnel and your campaigns and everything based on an offer that has never been validated. So that's an MVP funnel, and that's how you basically very fast and accurately validate your offer and find the best hook to attract high quality leads with Facebook ads. Right? And to get high quality, you need to know who these people are. That's why you need to develop this ICP and then have here these gatekeeper questions to filter out the wrong people and just let the right people pass through. That's it. By the way, if you want to speed that up and you don't want to like squeeze your brain and find all these problems that you could solve and the offers that you could sell based on your experience, we've developed an AI tool that generates all this for you and walks you through the whole process to build your funnel, your message, your offer, your MVP funnel, and all your landing page content to be very consistent in messaging, align with your core promise and your offer, and get you high quality leads, right? If you want to see how that works, we have a demo below this video. You can just watch it. And if you want to get access to or get a personal demo, just book a call with an expert from my team. If you feel you got some value from this video, I would appreciate if you give me a like and subscribe. I will publish 2 videos a week to help you grow faster, more profitably, and with less work thanks to the power of systems, automation, and AI. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Cheers and happy scaling.